Akkordeon.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Paddock Lake to Crystal Lake to near Genoa, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein,